Before you consider trying BioGlyco Flow, you might want to hear this first. Because the supplement is being promoted online as a breakthrough formula that supposedly helps stabilize blood sugar levels, boost metabolism, and support people dealing with type 2 diabetes. But the real question is whether it actually works or if it's just another overhyped product. The marketing behind BioGlyco Flow claims the formula contains powerful natural ingredients designed to improve glucose metabolism and restore metabolic balance, which sounds promising at first glance, especially for people searching for natural support for blood sugar management. However, when you start looking deeper, things become less clear. There is currently no strong, reliable scientific evidence showing that BioGlyco Flow can control blood sugar or treat diabetes in a clinically proven way. And most of the claims seem to rely heavily on emotional testimonials, dramatic success stories, and persuasive advertising rather than transparent medical research. Another concern some people point out is the use of authority-style marketing, such as doctor images, AI-generated promotional ads, and large numbers of online reviews that can be difficult to verify. These tactics are commonly seen across many internet supplements, especially in the blood sugar niche, where multiple products often appear with similar ingredient lists but different brand names. There are also reports online mentioning confusing FDA language in promotions, aggressive bundle offers encouraging customers to buy multiple bottles at once, and occasional complaints related to recurring billing. That doesn't automatically mean BioGlyco Flow is a scam, but it does suggest that buyers should approach the product carefully and do their own research before making a decision. Like many supplements sold online, the marketing message can sound very convincing, but without clear clinical trials or transparent scientific backing, it becomes difficult to determine how effective the formula truly is. So if you're considering BioGlyco Flow, it's important to stay informed, remain cautious, and focus on evidence rather than advertising hype.